Banayi mu studios abana bawala abana b'obuwala ba Cleveland Hill National Primary betwachaziza era nga bingi bye tugenda okwogerako bingi tubyogeddeko kati mu kaseera kano bansebo abatuuliza ne bannyabo babazadde abalungi. Get ready for a simple short story. Tugenda kutandika ne mwana muwala ani
Sasizi Happy Esther.
Sasizi Happy Esther. Are you ready to tell us the story?
Yes.
Okay, we are listening and mommy is listening. You first tell mommy you listen. Mugambe mommy akulaba huyo mugambe.
Mommy you listen.
Okay.
Story. There lived a father, a mother, and and 2 young babies. They went to the garden. They heard a voice of a gorilla. Then they saw a tall tree. They climbed it. The gorilla looked for them in the garden. They were not there. The gorilla sat under the tall tree. And then the gorilla slept. Babidia told the mother that I want to make urine. Then the mother told Babidia that you keep your urine. After the gorilla sleeping, the mother told Babidia, now you can make your urine. Babidia made urine on the gorilla's head. Then the time of Nakato came. Nakato told the mother that I want to make poo-poo. Then the mother said that Nakato, you keep your poo-poo. Then after that, Nakato chose for her own self. Then she poo-pooed on the head of the gorilla. Then the gorilla ate Babidia and Nakato. And then the time of the mother came. The mother wanted to make urine. The mother told the father that I want to make urine. Then the father said that you can make urine. Then the mother made urine on the gorilla's head. Then the gorilla told the mother that calm down, you have made urine on my head. Then the gorilla climbed and ate the mother. The time of the father came. The father made urine on the head of the gorilla. And the gorilla said that calm down, you have made urine on my head. Then the father refused to go down. Then the gorilla climbed up and they ate the whole family. That's the end of my story.
Thank you. Banayi webale nnyo okutunyumiza ka story. Bananga ka story mukawulidde. Sigenda kaddamu akuddira mu luyimba. Taluwomya ogenda kuba namba 0787 nkagamu 07 esembyayo nkaaga 0787 67 07 esembyayo 60 ojja kukozesa WhatsApp voice call oba WhatsApp voice note ku namba eyo katufune ka story akalala ogenda tubulira ani asinze tugenda kubala wano obululu ani asinze okunyumya banayi mubeereko